Birdman hand rub. This shit fit me like a damn glove. Shit cleaner than a hand scrub. Feel better than DJ Khaled fan love. This the rock that gave pride to a man cub. Ain't no love in hip hop, it ain't no keeping up with the business. Ain't no diamonds in the chain, but it's independent. I only own fish bowls, but my rental's tenant. You know I'm used to moving units like a rental tenant. Real lieutenant, God's army. He like a doctor, he'll never let a shot harm me. I'm a force in the field, I never take damage. I create panic, cause niggas wanna act fake satanic.
Should've known Janetta wasn't gonna be here.
What'd you say?
Should've known Janetta wasn't gonna be here.
Well, that's perfect because you can sign your card. It's in my laptop bag.
Oh.
And there she is.
Dang.
Oh, too late.
Hey. Hey. Happy birthday.
Just in case they didn't hear it, how old did you say you were?
57.
Black don't crack, y'all. Can you get in the car? We gotta go.
I can't get in the car and sit on this at the same time. Wow. Wow. Am I opening it now?
You can. Before we start driving.
Okay. Let's see. Oh my gosh! Justin! Gift and all, but we wow! He always makes me cry.
Oh, we made it.
Sweet. Would you hit him?
This water's not warm at all.
How did the settlers do this?
The settlers.
Oh my gosh. Oh. You think you're into nature until you come here.
You gonna get in? You good? Well, this has been quite an adventure. My mom fell underneath the water. Had to get her situated. We don't know where Jessie is. She's so far ahead. Somebody that was canoeing got stuck and I tried to pull them with a paddle and I ended up taking the paddle with me because he wasn't strong enough to hold on. But all in all, it's been a fun trip. And I found a bottle of Coke, Diet Coke. It was full, just floating in the water, so I picked it up.
Do you have the waterproof housing on your camera?
The camera itself is waterproof.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. Having fun?
I felt like Kate Winslet. Oh my gosh.
It's very cold. It's definitely cold. Vlog?
Hey.
Hey.
You have a vlog?
Yeah. It's pretty boring. As I'm too big.
Oh, what a fantastic experience!
It's cold.
Bitches standing sun.
Whole lower half of my body is stiff.